Good morning. This is Dan with 24 Hour Floors. I'm here with Mr. and Mrs. Smith. We had done their driveway yesterday afternoon, and I just want to show off some of the work that 24 Hour Floor does. We have a border inside the garage, and this is a polyurea, a polyaspartic. But the driveway beforehand had lots of cracks and lots of divots. As you see now, the driveway is very uniform and complete. So I would like for you to meet Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Ms. Smith, do you have anything to say to the customers out there that are looking at doing their driveway and garage?
Yes, I would. We had a horrible driveway and we contemplated getting all different kinds of products, but I'm so glad we went with this because it is beautiful and it's probably the best Mother's Day present I've had in a long time.
Thank you, Mrs. Smith. This is Dan, so get off that couch and make that decision and call 24 Hour Floors and get your driveway, garage, patio, sidewalks, and pool decks done. Thank you.